Hello, good morning. Happy countdown to summer collab with Pinkee Jean and with Kel's Kitchen. And today is day 15. And as you can see, well, I don't know if you can tell, but I actually worked out and I have to go take a shower. So I figured I'd do this before I go take a shower. And so, I don't know about you guys, but it is hot here in Texas. It's already hit the hundreds where I'm at, and yeah, it's going to be a hot summer. So let's go ahead and see what day 15 brings. We have, just in case, this is an odd day, so that means it's my Auntie Jean, Pinkee Jean. Let's see. That's fun. Adhesive bandages. I don't know if you can see them. They look fun. I just want you to be able to see one good one. You can't use band-aids. Band-aids are always good to have. I keep them in my purse. But I just wanted to show you this, and then I'll do my blessing that I have off of my cards. But this just looks fun. Look at it. It's a chicken. It's a chicken. Can you see that? I love it. That's so much fun. It's a chicken. Just in case you didn't know, I have chickens. We have only 6 ladies left. We started out with 20-some chickens, and we're down to just 6 ladies. Long story. I gave a bunch away because I had a bunch of boys, and a bunch of boys with girls is a problem. They all want to be the main rooster, and it doesn't work that well. So they were fighting. So we got rid of a bunch of them, gave them to a friend of mine, and anyways, now we have no roosters. They are bye-bye for various reasons, and we just have the 6 ladies left. So, all right, today's message is, these cards are really cute. So they don't always have like a scripture, but they have a saying, and this one's a saying. And it says, I said a prayer for you today. So I say a prayer, couples prayer, every morning and every night with my husband. And we say it for various people. We say it for the United States. We say it for the nation of Israel. We kind of go down a list of people. And so my prayer for you all today is that you have a blessed day. That for all of you that have healing needs, may your ailments be healed. And for all your maybe struggles and discomforts and various things, whether they're physical, they're psychological, spiritual even, I pray that you receive a blessing from him on that as well. So that is the message today. Again, so don't forget, praying for you. I hope you also pray for me. And that is if you are a believer in, well, you can say, well, I always say Adonai and Yeshua, but in God and Jesus. So the Father of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. There you have it. That's my message. I'm sticking to it. All right, have a fabulous day. We'll see you back tomorrow. Don't forget to go down below. Click the links to see what Pinkee Jean and what Kel's Kitchen got. Kelly from Kel's Kitchen. All right, bye.